Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to explain the basics of components in Figma. So let's get started. Now, if you use Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator, components are pretty much similar to symbols. They work similar to symbols. If you don't, then it is pretty easy. I will explain it. Now, I have taken this rectangle shape, basic rectangle shape. I will change the color using the fill option. So let's say if I convert this into a component, you can do this, simply right click and create component, or you can go here and you can choose the option. Either way is okay. So this is now a component. As you can see over here, this is the symbol of a component, this right here, this icon. So this is now a component. So if I go to assets, you can see this is the component that I have just created. So we can simply drag this component and you can simply copy and paste it, not an issue, or you can drag it from here like so. You can copy this as many times as you want. Now, the main thing about the component is it will save us a lot of time and effort, because let's say if we are drawing a diagram and we are using same symbol or same object multiple times, and if you want to change or edit the symbol or the object, then we can change it in one click. We can change all the objects in one click only if we use component. So let's say if I want to change the properties of this particular symbol, so let's say if I want to change the color, we can simply click on. Remember, these are copies and this is the main component. So if I change the color, if I go here and change the color, you can see all the colors change automatically. And not only that, if I double click on this and if I change the roundness also changes. And whatever changes I do to this main component, I will undo this, Ctrl Z or Command Z. Let's say I will double click. I want to change the entire shape. You can see the shape changes like so. So this is the beauty of components. And remember, I am only explaining the basics of components because components are pretty useful in Figma and they can do a lot of things. So this is only the basics. I will make some more videos to explain the importance of components in future videos. I will undo again, Ctrl Z or Command Z. Now there is a difference. Instead of changing the size or changing the properties of the main component, let's say if I change the property of this instance like so, then it will lose its connection from the main component. Like if I change the size, this won't change because I changed the size of this, so it will lose the connection between or the link between the main component. But I can change the color. I cannot change the size if I want to stay connected with the main component, but I can change the color if I want. So let's say if I want a different color for this particular object, so I can change the color like so. Still it will be connected to the main component like this. As you can see, if I double click one more time, see, so this is how we can use components in Figma, and this is only the basics. So keep watching my channel to know more about components in Figma. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.